Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm doing these pink rose quartz nails. So if you're interested to see how I did these stunning nails, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I've started off with just setting everything up and I'm just quickly showing you my nails. I did the pink set using the new Madam Glam rubber bases, which are absolutely amazing. If you guys want to see a review on that, then definitely let me know. So in today's video, I'm going to be using the Femi Beauty Lazy Girl method, which is basically where you put everything that you kind of want to put on your nail inside the nail tip. So in this case I'm using polygel, so you would put the polygel inside the nail tip and whatever else you wanted to put in there as the design, and then you would pop that on your nail and cure it. So for today's video I wanted to do something pink using the Vettsy Polygel kit that I got sent. I've done a unboxing of that in a previous video and this is an absolutely amazing kit. I loved it so much. There's just so much stuff in there that you could use to create a really glammed up nail look or just something simple. Yeah, I just think it's absolutely amazing. I will link my discount code for it down in the description box for you guys to check out, because yeah, I really want you guys to try this out. So I'm starting off with that flamingo shade and I'm basically applying a sheer layer to this on the first layer of the nail, which is going to be the surface. And I kind of wanted to do this and make it look a bit patchy because I kind of like it when there's, you know, the streaks of white, which I'm adding now, and sometimes they look a little bit more opaque in some areas and a little bit sheer in some other areas. So I just put some white on the edge of my spatula and I'm kind of running that through the pink, and then I'm just gonna kind of blend everything together with the brush. I am using the base coat gel in this video as my slip solution just because I prefer it more. But yeah, just go in with more or less white and always flip the nail around just to check if you're happy with what you've got so far. So now I'm going in with the light pink shade. This I believe is like the pink you would use for the baby boomer part of the nail, because this kit is the baby boomer one. And I'm just using this to just cover the whole of the nail, and I kind of went a little bit thick with this just so that it kind of hides any spots that were kind of missing or a bit patchy, and then it will kind of show through when I flip the nail over. You guys will see. I was actually really surprised with this, but I feel like I should have added a little bit more white. But yeah, I guess this is nice for those who like a bit more of like a subtle stone kind of look. But as you can tell, it's still really pretty and I really liked it. So for this nail, I wanted to try out this goldish flakish kind of thing, but it wasn't really a flake, it was more like string a little bit. It was a bit of like a gold string. I've never used it before, so I was very intrigued, and it actually worked out super well for what I wanted because it kind of gave me like these long bits of like gold foil, not like these chunky pieces that you kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but it just worked really well. What am I doing now? Yes, I'm adding that glitter because I can't get enough of it. I just feel like this glitter is so pretty, and yeah, I'm just using it a lot. I've also got it on my Madam Glam set that I'm wearing on my left hand right now. So if you get a glimpse of the ring finger of the beginning of the video, you'll see that I have it on my middle finger, and I've actually got some of the gold flaky foil on my pointer finger. Yeah, I just really liked this glitter. I just thought it was super pretty and it's really cute as well. And then I went in with some white again. You can do this like different ways, so you can go with the pink first and then the white, or you can do the white and then the pink.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
And I do also have a discount code for you guys. It's CAMIN1060, so that's CAMIN1060 for 10% off the Vettsy website, and you can enjoy 10% off anything that you put in your basket. So with the white and the pink, you can also like change them around and do pink first and then white, or then white and then pink. And the whole point, I feel like, to these like stone kind of looks is like the layering of them. And I'm trying my best here to layer with polygel, and it can be a bit tricky with polygel because it is already thick, so you have to work quite thin and be a bit careful with how you're placing things. Like with the white and the pink, you kind of want to just really be careful and use a little bit of white, not overpower, then use the right shade of pink, because if you just go in with like a hot shade of pink or a, I don't know, like a nude, too much of a nude kind of shade of pink, it won't really look like rose quartz. But this is the pinks that I had in the kit, and I feel like they still did work pretty well. Yeah, definitely just try different kind of pinks and see which one looks the best. And if it helps, pull up a picture of the stone that you're doing from Google, and you can definitely get a better idea on what you're doing. So this nail was quite an interesting one. It's a clear kind of French tip nail, which actually looked really cute in the end. And I'm using the gonna be using the Firefly shade for the tip of it, which is really pretty. It's a clear mixed with some green and blue iridescent glitters, and I'm just spreading that through. And I go in and cure everything at the end, so I don't cure like whilst I'm doing it. I cure it all at the end in one go when it's on the nail, because it saves time and it's just easier that way too. So once I've cured all of those and they're all on there really nice, I'm using the nail stickers that came with this kit, and these are the white floral ones. They're just like some white flowers. You can't see them too well just yet, but I'm just picking those off with the tweezers that came with the kit, and I'm just deciding which one. And I kind of really wanted to put one where the clear nail was. I just thought that looked kind of cool and it would have brought out that flower a bit more. So here I am just sticking that on. These stuck really well and they were very like thin and flexible, so you don't have to worry about them like lifting or anything. You can just top coat and it'll be good to go. And doing the same thing on the thumb, because the thumb looked a little bit plain for my liking, so I stuck one on there too. And then I'm going in with the Vettsy top coat and just finishing up those nails. Apply a nice thin layer. And now just going in with the crystals, and for this nail I wanted to do that swirly kind of spiral crystal kind of look, where you use the bigger crystals in the center and the smaller crystals as you go out. And this is one of my most favorite ways to apply crystals. It just looks so elegant, and yeah, it definitely just looks really cool on the nail. So just doing that, I'm trying my best to pick up these crystals as fast as I can. And yeah, the wax pencil also came with the kit, I believe. Yeah, the wax pencil I think came with the kit, I'm not sure. But you can find these on Amazon. If it doesn't, it's honestly really good to use wax pencils compared to those little tools, like the little tweezer ones or your fingers. Those are just, they're just kind of horrible. So now for the flower nail, just adding some crystals around that too, just to, you know, add a little something. But I wanted to keep the main focus on that like middle finger with the crystals. I just thought that looked super nice. And that is it for this video. The set came out so cute, and I really like how easy it was to create this look. Let me know what you guys think down in the description box below, and don't forget you can use my discount code CAMIN1060 for 10% off the Vettsy website. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.